This is the center floor elevator at Aventura Mall in Aventura, Florida. And this is a Gold Glass Schindler HT. It's here. Go up to 2. Well, let's watch out the window. Sorry if I don't want you to be in this video.
I don't want to be in it either.
I'm someone who films escalators and elevators, if you don't know. If you go up to my channel, you look at Lenny03, you check my social media.
Okay.
We have an interesting section right here. Head back down to 1. Let's get a cab view. This is a really nice elevator, especially since it's golden, glass, and very tall. 400 pound capacity. Here we are at 1. Here's the main engine. There it goes, and that's it.